Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by washing and decontaminating the paint so the coating bonds. Once washed, clay or iron remover the surface to take out embedded particles. This prevents pinholes. Make sure the panel is totally dry and cool before you touch it, because moisture and heat stop the ceramic bonding. Next, you'll inspect for swirls. If present, address them now with polish. This first phase is about creating a chemically clean, mechanically smooth surface, so the ceramic has maximum adhesion and durability. You now correct the paint and prepare the surface for coating by polishing and wiping. Once done with a 1-2 pass polish that removes defects, you must remove polish oils with an isopropyl or panel wipe. This is crucial because residual oils repel ceramic. Make sure to tape surrounding trim and work panel by panel to keep areas consistent. Also use a 60-degree inspection light to confirm defect removal. These steps ensure the ceramic bonds evenly and prevents high spots or streaks later on. You apply the ceramic in small, controlled amounts and move swiftly to level it for uniform gloss. Once you lay down 1-2 drops per 30x30 cm panel, spread in straight passes and allow the specified flash time, then buff off with a clean microfiber. Make sure to follow the product's cure window, typically 24-48 hours, and avoid moisture or washing during that time. If a high spot or streak appears, immediately rewipe with isopropyl to correct it before full cure. This simple fix saves rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.